The log to leg race is turning two matching legs, 3 beads at the top, 1 bead at the bottom. That's the traditional style of the Windsor chair made in High Wycombe, and that is made from ash, green ash, that is round in the round part, split down into billets, and then from that 3-cornered billets, that is what you have to make in the shortest possible time, and the time is taken, but then it is judged for faults. Any imperfections are marked in 30-second increments that's added to your time. Then you can say, well, who is going to be the world champion? We are not as skilled as these old Bodgers were that worked in the Chiltern Woods. We're working towards that. We're respecting their skills that they had and carrying on this tradition. They are so keen, it is unbelievable. They're addicted to their pole lathes. You can't get them off it. It's just amazing. But it's a beautiful thing to do. It's so quiet. It's so nice to be in complete control. You just go as quick or as slow as you want. Every time you press your treadle, you cut wood off. And it's amazing how quick this happens. It's not an expensive thing to get into. You don't have to buy a load of expensive equipment to get into it. You just need very few parts, a few tools.
I have no idea who was in that team, which team it was.
Well, it's something that Mother Nature makes for us. And it's so beautiful that you think, well, yeah, it's the thing that you can make anything of. And I'm going back a bit in time, but in my younger days, on a farm, you had a wood and it was a crop. It was used for everything on the farm. And the farm wouldn't work without it. I think we've got to think to get back to that a bit. I know this word management comes out, but it needs to be farmed, it needs to be used. And if you have the respect for the woods and the land around you, you see much more by going into a woodland and working it, and what will happen, what can develop from that. You open up a space to the air, and what grows there is amazing. It's just waiting to be released.